Gmail offers 15 GB of free storage, but it can fill up quickly if you receive large attachments. Is your Gmail storage almost full, and you are looking for a hack that can clean up the space for you without investing any money in a subscription? Don't worry, it's easy to free up space without deleting important emails. Gmail offers 15 GB of free storage, but it can fill up quickly if you receive large attachments or send emails with large storage files. In this guide, Get Insider will show you 2 secret tricks to clean your Gmail storage and regain some space. However, free Gmail storage available on the app is 15 GB, but large attachments or sent email that includes large storage files will fill it up very quickly. We've got 2 simple tricks that you can follow to free up the space in no time. Step-by-step guide. Here's a step-by-step guide that you can use to clean your Gmail storage in without investing a single penny. Trick 1. Clean Drive files. Go to https://drive.google.com/quota and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Storage tab shown on the left side of the page. Click View Larger Files to see files taking up most of your storage space. Select files you no longer need and then click the trash can icon to delete them. Confirm that you want to delete the files. Trick 2. Clean Gmail. Log in to your Gmail account, click on the search mailbox at the top of the page. Type has attachment larger 10 MB and press enter. This will show emails with attachments larger than 10 megabytes. Select emails you no longer need and click the trash can icon available on the screen to delete them. Confirm that you want to delete all selected emails